Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, guys. My name is Nadia Dwi Kartika. My student number 060-111-8182-3017. Today, I want to talk about the article, and the title is Smartphones and CLT, That Threat or Opportunity by Rupert Walsh, University of Portsmouth, United Kingdom. Next slide. There are 6 tables of the contents. Next slide. Mobile Assisted Language Learning, or MELL, is one of the fastest growing ELT sectors. To date, the teaching methods of MELL appear overly influenced by the desires of business, large institutions, and technicians to produce easily measurable outcomes, rather than foundation built on open pedagogical research that emphasizes the importance of developing the communicative competence of learners. Technology in language learning began with the use of desktop computer, but by the added functionality of mobile device through the smartphone era has now grown to incorporate mobile assisted language learning, or MELL. So focus on MELL within research remains for short of the quantity of studies one other technology for language instruction. Next slide, please. ELT teaching methodology. Most teacher training courses nowadays promote a teaching style which has the development of communicative competence as its main objective. Communicative language teaching, or CLT, there are two, and the first is approach and two is methodology. Communicative language teaching, or CLT, as approach focus on grammar, be written or should grammar be incidentally covered in response to the students' input or output. A number of studies found problems with implementing approach in certain contexts, like monolingual grouping, lack communicative need in the target language. Exam requirements pressure teachers to focus on form, and teacher role shift from director to communicative facilitator were not received well in some cultures. And the next is about communicative language teaching as method or methodology. Method is procedure or some planning which teachers are to follow in the classroom for learning. There are two methods as the past method and the post method era. Many now speak of teaching methodology entering into a post method era where teachers should choose their approach of the self from a range of possible approach. However, none the objection to CLT question its fundamental principles of relevance, authenticity, being engaging, being student-centered, and the need for both input and output. Next slide, please. MOL, or MELL, as a mass production vehicle rather than a teaching tool. First, it is possible that the teaching community will not be given a chance to enter the conversation surrounding MELL if it does not do so soon, because non-teachers are rapidly shaping the future of MELL already. And the second is, as well as technicians, business and large education providers are also pushing MELL format quickly, even Within the past few years, there has been a huge take-up worldwide of online learning. And the third, he writes that teaching community will be left behind in the process of shaping MELL is clear to see. The present danger is that the groups primarily interested in data-driven education that gives quantifiable, measurable returns for money invested will create a new learning world through MELL. And fourth is possible implications are concerning. A move from face-to-face to virtual learning will likely result in fewer classes. In addition, MELL in its present form may result in a move away from a classroom-based communicative approach facilitated by trained teachers towards a do-it-yourself mentality to language teaching. Next slide. Students' response to MELL. There are three for leads to this picture, like mobile device provide a world of language learning not just through dedicated apps, but where everything is a potential learning opportunity. If action through the language one wishes to learn. Example, mobiles provide input. And the second is mobile device do not provide most of the realistic communicative practice opportunities that learners need. For example, private learning through mobiles is severely limited in output. The third is students on the whole agree MELL is fun and engaging the classroom. For example, classes give them the motivation. Before we look at the possible implication for the individual teacher and the ELT teaching industry in general, it is worth looking at the how teachers are implementing MELL. Next slide. Teacher use of MELL. Let's research suggestion that mobile phone based tasks are increasingly appearing with teaching. Teachers discovered that they predominantly use MELL in four ways, like to deliver content, for example, videos from YouTube, to practice or revise through games, for example, Kahoot, and to allow students to create their own content and to both share and collaborate on work, for example, Globster and Keynote. Next slide. Problems and solutions about technology and pedagogy. There are two barriers to a teacher facilitating MELL within classroom learning related by technology and pedagogy. The first, they must first believe it is useful, and furthermore, they need to find it easy to use. In general, there has been a failure in teachers, industries, and in literature itself to show where the connection can be made between MELL, technology, and teaching pedagogy. Pedagogic models are emerging, which emphasize the role of teacher choice in selecting mobile application features that are beneficial, particularly those facilitating multimodal communication and collaborating language rehearsal. And the second barrier is concerning the ease of using technology needs even more careful consideration. So far, most work, more or MELL, has focused on the use of APPS, but a focus on APPS alone may be unsatisfactory from the perspective of the classroom tutor. Since APPs require learning and installing. A teacher may be happy to learn the occasional APP, but no teacher wants to continually lose hours of their week learning how to use the language learning, like software. Nor do they want to regularly lose considerable periods at the start of the lesson training their student in how to use yet another an APP, costing valuable learning time and making students wonder if they would have been better off studying at home. Next slide. Now, I want to open question and answer session. Anyone to ask?
I want to ask a question, Nadia.
Yes, Winnie.
Okay. My question, as functionally has progressed, what is the function of MALL, especially in language learning?
Okay, thank you, Winnie. That question is, as functionality has progressed, what is the functional of MELL, especially in language learning, right? The answer is, as functionality has progressed, so has the attempt used for language instruction purpose, like originally with the use of the text message for teacher-student communication, then moving on the dedicated mobile application and up to the present day where a vast array of use are possible, from producing videos to incidental learning through mobile media. Suggestions have been made that this new functionality may lead to opportunities not namely to replicate existing teaching methods through technology, but to devise new pathway to teach is desirable ways not possible before. For example, the potential for classroom exploitation of MELL has been aided by the fact that generally enough students post device within classroom for this to take place, like a phenomenon that bring your own device. Did I answer your question, Winnie?
Yes, thank you, Nadia.
Other question?
Nadia, I want to ask you.
Yes, Nur Habibah.
Sorry, my name is Penny.
Oh, yes, sorry. Yes, Penny.
Okay. Considering the rebirth, sorry.
Yes, Penny.
Okay. Considering the rebirth of traditional form,
Sorry, I cannot hear you.
considering the rebirth of traditional form,
Considering the rebirth of traditional form, Penny.
focus instructional through more, where does leave the principle of the communicative approach.
Okay, I repeat again. Considering the rebirth of traditional form focus instruction through MELL, where does this leave the principle of the communicative approach? Right, Fanny?
Of course, Nadia.
Yes. The answer to the question must be informed, as ever, not just by what the teacher believes, but also by what the students need. In the rush to claim ownership of the MELL industry, attention to learners themselves appears limited to studies which try to prove that a particular APP has some effect in raising a user's knowledge of their target language. Little attention has been given in research to their opinions or how they choose to use mobile device for language learning. Did I answer your question, Fanny?
Okay, Nadia.
Thank you. Next question.
I want to ask the last question.
Yes.
So, can you give an example? A case for smartphone can make communicative approach in learning.
Okay, that's great question, Nur Habibah. Can you give an example? A case for smartphone can make communicative approach in learning. If students recognize it is not learning APPS, but authentic input that they must need to become proficient user of language. Then teachers can meet that need by using the mobile device, not as an app store, but as a source of classroom input. In this situation, the teachers no longer needs to be the technical expert because he will merely be asking students to retrieve content by doing what they already know how to do on their phones. Like a few simple example would be retrieving photo, videos, maps, and weather forecasts. Through the possibilities are extensive, or perhaps directing students to English content with website through ordinary browser apps. In this way, everyone in the classroom wins. Students use their device within the boundaries of already established uses, so there is no time wasted by the teacher or student on app learning. So, mobile devices are exploited for their ability to provide authentic, relevant, and personal content, like key pillars of communicative classroom. Did I answer your question, Firda?
Yes, thank you, Nadia.
Thank you so much for your questions. And okay, that's all my presentation. Thank you for your attention and good afternoon. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.